Hey, to perform a hard reset of your JBL Wave Buds, first of all you will have to take them out of this charging case. And as you can see on the both earbuds we can find this JBL marking, and this is actually the touch sensors. So we have to click these sensors 2 times quickly and then click and hold them. So let me show you how it actually looks. Click, click, and then click and hold. And now take a look for the indicators. As you can see, we are still connected, but now we are not connected, which means that we just simply performed the hard reset. Now we have to input both earbuds inside the charging case. They will actually start charging after a few moments. And now we can just take them out of this case. And now you can find out that the both indicators are blinking, which means that we are in the pairing mode right now. And when I try to connect to my previous connection, I will be not able to do this. I will get new pairing request, which means that we successfully restore all default settings. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.